Assalamualaikum grade 9. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today I am going to revise unit number 3, media and its impact. Today date is 31st August 2020. It's my 39th lecture and day is Monday. We have learned about electronic media and print media, and we have learned about the importance of media in this unit. You have to read the unit again, underline all difficult words meaning, learn difficult words meaning, learn the textbook question answers, then move to the exercise, see the comprehension. A mind map is given. What you have to do, you have to summarize the whole unit or the main points of the unit by writing over here, then answer the question. You have already done all of these question answers on your notebook. Book exercise. In book exercise vocabulary, here phrases are given. You have to explain these phrases. Then the list of words are given. You have to write these list of words into the noun, adjectives and adverbs. You have already done. You have to learn these all because MCQs can be made from this portion. They can write any word and they can ask it is adverb, adjective or noun. Then in grammar, the words are given, the list of words are given, and you have to change these words into the noun, and then you have to write the noun into the blanks given below. So this activity is important. You have to learn it because you know how to change a word into the noun and how we can fit these words into the blanks. Then question number B, identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronoun. Personal pronouns are used for the person such as he, she, it, they, you. Possessive pronouns show some ownership such as my, our, yours, his, her, their, its. These are possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. In reflexive pronouns we write self such as yourself, itself, herself. Indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which we use for the whole such as each, every, some, few, nobody, everybody. These are called indefinite pronouns. So list of the pronouns are given. What you have to do, you have to read it and then identify the pronouns such as my is possessive pronoun, he is personal pronoun, reflexive, yourself is reflexive pronoun, and nobody is indefinite pronoun. Then identify pronoun errors. So the errors are given. You have to write the correct pronouns in this activity. This activity is about to select the correct form of verb such as media is singular. You have to write plays. Media plays a very constructive role. Same, media is singular. You have to write has. So you know how to write the correct tense or correct form of verb in this activity. Next is change the voice. So active voice are given. You have to change these active voice sentences into the passive voice. You have already done. You know how to change active voice into the passive voice. Now in this activity you have to change present tense into the past indefinite tense such as helps is written. You have to write ed form, second form of verb, it become past indefinite tense. Next activity is about punctuate the following. A paragraph is given. You have to punctuate this paragraph. So all of the activities are important in this unit. You have to read the chapter carefully. You have to memorize all the information given in the chapter. Then you have to learn question answers given in the text and given in book exercise, and learn grammar and vocabulary portion. Then I have make an activity for you. Choose the correct option. So I have given you MCQs from the unit and from the exercise of this unit so that you can be able to learn it fully. See the first one. Miss Aisha is the favorite teacher of class 8th, 9th or 10th. You have to find the answer to your own. The students are all geared up. The underlined word means excited, stand up, ready. Media is dash powerful mode of communication. More, most, the most. There are two means of communication. The underlined word is an noun, verb, adjective. Media has become an integral part of our lives. The underlined word means integral means important, essential, logical. Choose the correct spelling. So spellings are given, words are given downtrodden, and you have to write. You have to select the correct spellings. Media can play a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. So the word corrective is underlined. The underlined word is a and noun, adjective, adverb. Sentence number 8. That is my house. The underlined pronoun is. So my is possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. What is the tense of this sentence? So you have to select the correct tense. Is present, indefinite tense, present, continuous, present, perfect. Her helplessness has quite obvious. The underlined word is a and. Helplessness is noun, adjective, adverb. I hope you will try to find the answers. That is your home task. You have to learn the full unit, as well as you have to do this activity to check that how much you have learned. Allah Hafiz class.